Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will be giving the name of the winner for the Munbin mini label maker. I shared this a few weeks back and there were so many entries, so it took me a little while to add up all the names and all that stuff, but I have the winner now, so I will be sharing that with you soon. I did just want to quickly show you my new printables as well. I might as well just cover that in the video. And these are doilies with some coffee stain backgrounds, distressed paper backgrounds, and I just wanted to make something that could be used in many projects, junk journal projects, scrapbooking projects, anything vintagey distressed. I think this would go well with it. So I just thought I would share some of the new pages that are in the kit. And as always, I will have links to my shop in the description box below. Thank you all so much for your support. When you purchase my printables, it helps me, it helps my channel. It helps me to keep giving you lots of projects that I share with you, the tutorials, and I'm just really enjoying this. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And of course, this also helps with, being able to do giveaways that provide some awesome goodies. For example, the mini label maker, as I mentioned. I do unboxings as well on my channel with some companies, and I know that not everybody enjoys those, because I know there's some of you that don't, but those that do enjoy seeing those videos, that is how I'm able to provide these giveaways with some of the goodies that some of the companies send. And I do ask, I always request for them to offer something for my subscribers, because I think it's just nice for a company to do that. So that's why I was able to give you that giveaway, at least for the last one as well, with the little mini label maker. So thank you to Munbin for that as well, for them offering that. And what else did I want to say? Yeah, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. There are some videos that I've recently shared that you've all enjoyed, and I'm so happy that everybody's enjoying those videos, so I'll keep making more for sure. All right, so let's draw the winner. The winner for the little printer is Nancy, last name Pyter. Congratulations, Nancy. I will leave details in the description box below, so you can contact me, and then I'll give you details on how you'll get your mini label maker. Everyone, thank you so much. Links to my shop will be in the description box below, and I do also help other artists sell their work, so you will find that in my shop as well. So thank you for your support of their work. And I will see you very soon with some new tutorials, some new projects, possibly some unboxings. So a big giveaway coming up as well. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks so much for stopping by.